Just relax and forget about it. It'll happen. Words said thoughtlessly by so many people that simply do not know the struggle of infertility. I lived month by month for many years, having my one and only dream be shattered by one simple pink line. Being diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome not only imbalanced my hormones, but caused an imbalance in my life. After seeing many specialists and trying cycle after cycle of different medications, the only thing doctors could say the underlying issue was my weight. That was a struggle on its own due to the PCOS. No matter how much I dieted and exercised, I'd never lose more than 20 pounds. I was giving up. All I could ever think was, what did I do wrong in my life to deserve this? With the ounce of hope that I had left, I decided to make a huge life-changing decision and go under the knife. November 7th, 2016, my first surgery ever, vertical sleeve gastrectomy. I was scared, but I had my wonderful cousin by my side. I know I had to do this not only for myself, but for my future child. It was a very emotional, mental, and physical roller coaster from day one. The only thing that kept me strong was the hope of one day being a mother. 8 months later and 103 pounds down, I had a one-on-one with God. This is it, one last time. I have come to peace with my destined plan that you have for me, whatever it is. At peace with God and with myself, I patiently waited what seemed like the longest 2 minutes of my life. Result? 2 pink lines. February 14th, 2018. My personal Valentine was born. Josiah Luke Mendoza. He is an amazing blessing in my life. He has shown me what patience is and that God's timing is pure perfection. Without him, I wouldn't be where I am today. Josiah is who I once struggled for, but is now who I live for. I know I would have given up on myself and turned away from God. But Josiah has made me fearless in everything I do. Waiting for you has been the hardest and the most beautiful thing I've ever done. Motherhood has taught me the meaning of living in the moment and taking life day by day. Being a mother, I became less selfish and more responsible. My whole experience from start to finish has given me the empowerment to believe anything is possible. It has taught me to make moves in life that most people are scared to take. I've moved from a big city to a small town, 500 miles in between, and now I've started college in my late 20s. These are just 2 small steps at the beginning of a brighter future. I have a little human to not only care for now, but to think for. My choices in life not only affect me, they affect us.